Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys have been living a happy and fit lifestyle as always. So I am back with the episode 3 of my journey at the Miss Universe India pageant for my state of Uttar Pradesh. And in this video, from this video, we start with the actual pageant. I'm going to start with my experience at the day 1, and the last 2 episodes were about how I sorted my outfits, and the first episode was basically about my first round of audition. So if you haven't checked out those episodes, please do check them out right now. And yeah, before wasting any more time, let's get started with this one. But before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. To be very honest, the day 1 was not hectic at all. Our call time was literally 12 p.m. So we were able to have a good sleep. We were able to have our proper breakfast, get our hair, makeup and outfit sorted. And for me, especially because I was staying home, so my meals, my outfits, and my travel, everything was quite sorted. So I very easily managed to reach on time. And the first thing that was supposed to happen was our arrival, which was supposed to be in Floral. So we arrived there. We had to show up in our full hair and makeup, because obviously there are your pictures are being clicked. The organization is taking your videos to upload on their social media. And we were greeting each other, and we met all the girls for the first time in person. We were having our online sessions, but that was the first time that we met in person. So it was all going on great. Royal Cafe was also an official sponsor, so we were given all our meals from Royal Cafe. So when we reached there, we had received a lunchbox from them, and the food was obviously amazing, but I had also carried my own snacks with me. So yes, this was something that happened. We had our group picture, and then we were supposed to change in our black dress with that touch of neon that was told to us for the photo shoot, and the hair and makeup started. So I was basically someone who had quickly finished her meal, and the ones who were done with their lunch and all were supposed to rush for the hair and makeup. So I rushed too quickly. And in fact, my photo shoot was literally took like 5 to 10 minutes. And I think that's because I have been used to posing, and I think it's a very important tip for you girls as well, that when you're at the pageant and when you're going through shoots, there are a lot of girls, so you need to be quick with your posing. There will be no one to guide you that this is how you're supposed to pose, or this is your best angle, this is your best posture. You need to figure it out. And it's better that you figure it out beforehand, because there you won't have enough time, and at the end you might just not have the best pictures in hand. And if you want to learn the art of posing, the art of walk, I firstly need to subscribe to this channel. And I have also been posting a lot of content on my Instagram page, which I recently started with the same name, Khwab by Sushmita. So please go and follow for some tips and tricks regarding posing and walk. So my photo shoot was sorted, and there were other few girls जिनका photo shoot बहुत जल्दी sort out हो गया था. And then I was literally done with it by 2:30 p.m. 2:30 or 3 p.m. and our orientation was supposed to start at 6 p.m. I guess 6 or 7 p.m. That was the timing given to us. And yeah, it was 6 p.m. I remember. And we literally had to wait. There were some girls who had gone back to their hotels जो पास में थी, और कुछ थी जिन्होंने रूम उस होटल में ही लिया था. वी वर सपोज टू मैनेज आवर ओन अकोमोडेशंस, बट ये कंपल्सरी नहीं था कि जहाँ पे होस्ट है हमें उसी होटल में रहना है, बिकॉज इट ऑब्वियसली इट वाज अ 5 स्टार, सो इट वाज क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव, बट वी वर गिवन द मील्स एंड ऑल. तो जिनका रूम उस होटल में था, everything was hosted at the Dayal Gateway Hotel, और जो बाकी के 3 दिन थे that were hosted at the Centrum Hotel. Both of these hotels are in Lucknow. And जिनका रूम उस होटल में ही था, they went to their room to just relax for a while, and I was sitting there. I was just chilling, catching up with the other girls. And then I clicked some of my own pictures. The orientation started at 6. Our state director came and she sashed all of the girls. And in fact, जो 30th of March का हमारा finale था, there was this Mrs. Uttar Pradesh pageant that was also happening. So they were also a part of, you know, our pageant itself. So we all our events, all our shoots were happening together. It was just that at the finale night there were going to be two different winners. One was supposed to be for the pageant of Mrs. Uttar Pradesh, and the other was supposed to be Miss Universe Uttar Pradesh. So we were hosted very nicely, and the orientation happened. We received our sashes, we received our dinners, and वहाँ पे like proper there was music going on, all the girls were dancing. It was a lot of fun. We were really getting to know each other, to catch up with each other. और बहुत hectic नहीं था हमारा first day, and we were able to wrap it up by 7:30 or 8 p.m. and घर जाके I had my dinner, I had a proper sleep. And that was all about day one. बहुत कुछ नहीं हुआ, but it went on really smooth. I think day one was more about getting to know the other girls, and उस दिन बहुत हेक्टिक नहीं था, बट हमें जो शेड्यूल दिया हुआ था उसके अकॉर्डिंग the things were going to be really hectic from the second day, and that's how it went. So yes, this is it for today. If you have any other queries, or even though इस वीडियो में बहुत ज़्यादा information नहीं थी, but still if you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section below. And stay tuned for the next episode of the day 2, where our rehearsals and everything actually started. And this is a very new journey that I have started, so your support really matters. Thank you for watching, and as soon as possible I'll try to be back with some more interesting stuff.